Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram account name from your laptop. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop and search for Instagram. Now, click on the first link that appears to open Instagram's website. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom left corner and click on More. Then, click on Settings from the menu. Here, click on Personal Details to open your account information. Now, click on your username section. Then, click on the name field. Now, you can remove or change your name. After editing, make sure to save the changes. That's it. Your Instagram account name has been removed or updated from your profile on your laptop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.